Let's unbox this portable cooling fan from Amazon. Very pretty design, easy to carry, and there's an water inlet at the top with 500 ml capacity. Mostly tap water should be used, and there is a flap adjustment knob which can be rotated upward downwards, and on the back side there is a carbon filter to trap dust and odor. It's removable, easy to clean, and type C charger is given along with it. The size and quality of the product is good, but the only drawback is it is not rechargeable. You need to carry a power bank with you if you're taking it out. Overall good for the outdoors this summer, so worth the price I can say. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Life in Dunia. Bye.